IVL has been engaged in many environmental projects in China. Take water as an example. We have been together with the Haihe River Commission to investigate the pollutions of drinking water sources, to identify the important pollution sources and give countermeasures on how to solve it.
China is developing very fast when it comes to not economic but also environmental improvement. So there are a lot of work to do for us. For example, the soil is quite a hot topic now. There are a lot of industries which has been shut down, and the land need to be remediated. So that's a huge market.
One example of a project I would mention the air project in Taiyuan. We're working together with local organizations to promote our IVL's passive sampler. And based on it, we have set up a joint lab with Chinese partners working on different air issues.
We also work on education for the use of environmental protection. I myself is very much engaged in this part.
After 30 years experience in China, IVL has now established a very good and strong team with local Chinese people.
We are providing the research and consulting and also the platform support between the collaboration for China and Sweden.
So for me, the driver is to influence the development. You influence so much more in China with 1.3 billion than you do in Sweden.